Well, to all of you around the world that follow this YouTube channel so faithfully, I want to wish you a blessed Christmas season. For those of you in Germany, Frohe Weihnachten. To my Spanish-speaking friends, Feliz Navidad. And to all around the world, the promise is made of a Savior being born. A time of joy and peace and thanksgiving, quite honestly. And, you know, leading up to the weeks of Christmas, things can be so chaotic. You get all the messages, buy this, buy that, go there, go here. And yet sometimes we just need to take a step back and remember the words of that silly little guy, the Grinch, who finally realized by saying, how could it be so? It came without ribbons. It came without tags. It came without packages, boxes, or bags. Then the Grinch thought of something he hadn't thought of before. Maybe Christmas perhaps doesn't come from a store. Maybe Christmas perhaps means a great deal more. As I reflect on so many things this season, the growth of this channel, the wonderful people that I've met through providing the service that I do, I'm humbled and appreciative of all that's come this way and all that is yet to come. And I count you among the very special gifts of this season. So things are going to only continue to become greater as we focus on what really matters, and that is helping each other learn about vintage sewing machines and pausing in this season and being thankful for all the good things that we have. So, Merry Christmas to all of you, and a blessed New Year as we step forward confidently knowing that there are so many good things ahead. Thanks again for being a faithful follower and a watcher of this channel, and for all of your encouragement through this year.